Hey guys, what's up? Scott Lenox here from Hooked on OC, and I am about to show you a different kind of boat. You used to see me on fishing boats here in Ocean City, but we've got something really cool in town, the Draken, a Viking ship. These guys are going to tell us all about. Frank from Special Events.
Good to see you, Scott.
Natalie from the Draken. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Great to see you guys. So listen, tell me about this. The boat's going to be in town for about a week or so, and it's already got a nice crowd here. What's going on this week?
It did. It arrived last night. Came in on schedule for the most part, which we're very happy about. Had a wonderful crowd for its arrival. We did a little arrival ceremony. But the Draken opened today to the general public. It's open from 10 to 8 every day from today through next Tuesday.
Okay.
And it leaves on Wednesday the 29th. So if you want to come and see it, you got to come before the 29th to see the vessel.
Yeah, there's been some great promotion beforehand. We talked to Mayor Meehan at the White Marlin Open that teased that it was going to be here, but now it is officially here, and it's really awesome. You'll see from this footage. This is pretty cool from a ship that was originally around in 1000 AD, you had said. But there's a really cool village over here. Natalie, why don't you tell me about what's going on over here?
Yep, so we have our little Draken village set up. What it is we have our merchandise tent where we sell tickets. So if you want to come aboard, come buy your ticket from me at the merchandise tent. We have a screen that is playing our documentary that follows the journey of the ship through the building, through the research, all the way through their crossing across the North Atlantic in 2016. We have some local vendors set up that the town and the city of Ocean City has been so wonderful to help and bring us into a community sort of feel. And we have a bunch of different exhibits that talk about the Draken, about our process, and about our ship.
So the village is free for anybody.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you can show up and come to the village for free.
Come
Vendors are selling things.
Bring popcorn, sit in front of the documentary.
I see lots of people taking pictures. Let's go on board and take a quick look. All right, guys, I didn't notice any rod holders. Pretty awesome. I mean, that is really, really awesome. So once again, tell me a little bit about how long you'll be here and that sort of thing.
Yeah, so we'll be here till next Tuesday, as Frank was saying, and we have the ship, of course, open for tours. We also have a couple of other events around town. If you want to.
Yep, we do. So in addition to this ship actually being here on site at 3rd Street Bayside through next Tuesday with its departure 10 a.m. on Wednesday, as it's scheduled. The Draken also has a couple special events that are taking place at the Performing Arts Center up at 41st Street at the Convention Center. Very cool. The first one is on Friday night. They're going to do a captain's lecture, 7 p.m. You can purchase tickets for that online at the drakenhh.com website or here on site when you come to visit the vessel. That's a lecture that's going to be done that tells you all about the experience of them coming across from Norway and what it was like to ride a ship that dates back to, well, what was modern technology back in 1000 AD.
That's right.
And then on Saturday night at 7 p.m. at the same location, the Performing Arts Center at the Convention Center, they're going to do a documentary viewing. It's a very special documentary film that they created about the Draken and its experience coming across from Norway. 2 great opportunities, both purchase tickets online at their drakenhh.com site or right here at the vessel.
Okay, very good. And if you wanted to, you could probably come on Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock and watch the vessel depart for the next port.
Absolutely.
You know, that's going to be free. Obviously, you can stand right here behind the ball field on 3rd Street, watch the vessel leave for its next port, which I think is Philadelphia. I think they're leaving to go get next. Yep. Very cool. And Frank, right now there's some other events going on in town that are pretty cool too.
We do. We have Jeep Week going on right now, which is all over town. But they've got a driving course on the beach. They do a parade every morning on the beach of Jeeps. Really cool to see that. We also have ArtX, which is a very new event for Ocean City. It's taking place up at Northside Park Saturday and Sunday. Saturday from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. We let them go to the beach first. Yep, sure. And then on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay. Live music, up-and-coming performers, very different from Sunfest and Springfest. Artisan vendors, we have activities for kids, we have workshops, we have a film festival side to it, so there's a lot going on at Northside Park.
Dude, it's a year-round place nowadays. Frank, thank you very much. Natalie, thank you very much.
Wonderful to meet you. Thank you.
And like Frank mentioned, folks, if you want more information on the Draken being in town, ArtX, Jeep Week, or any of the other awesome events going on in Ocean City, it's ococean.com. I'll see you at the beach.